Hello, good evening, dear students. This is Sonia Kaushik, and we are doing Animal Kingdom in class 11th biology. And today we are going to discuss phylum Coelentrata, that is also called phylum Cnidaria. Right? चलिए start करते हैं. So in this video lecture we will discuss the phylum Coelentrata from NCERT only, and in next lecture we will discuss this in NEET. We will do NEET specific topics from this chapter. So let's start today's video. Start करते बेटा. So these the organism in phylum Coelentrata, they are generally aquatic, mostly marine, present in sea water. They may be sessile, that may be fixed, या फिर they may be free swimming. Symmetry, radial symmetry इनमें present होती है बेटा. And if we talk about what type of cell they have, so they have cnidoblast cell. They have special cnidoblast cells that are also called cnidocytes. This is the structure of this cell. Cnidoblast cell, this is important. That's why they are called Cnidaria. Cnidarians भी इनको बोलते हैं क्योंकि इनके पास cnidoblast cells present है. All right, चलिए. Now, what is the function of these cnidoblast cells that are also called cnidocytes? So they are just stinging cells. They have some stinging capsules or nematocytes that are present on the tentacles of the body, right? Like what are tentacles? These structures are called tentacles. So नीडोब्लास्ट सेल्स विल बी प्रेजेंट है. नीडोब्लास्ट सेल्स यहीं पर प्रेजेंट होंगी. और मैंने आपको बताया ये फिक्स्ड भी हो सकते हैं और ये मोटाइल भी हो सकते हैं. सो दिस इज जेलीफिश, ठीक है, और इसको ओरिलिया भी बोलते हैं. दिस इज फ्री स्विमिंग फॉर्म, फ्री स्विमिंग फॉर्म, ओके. एंड दिस वन इज सिसाइल फॉर्म, दिस वन इज सिसाइल फॉर्म, राइट. दिस इज एडेम्सिया and this is a sessile. Later we will discuss types. So cnidoblast cells की क्या functions है? Very very important for boards and NEET. They helps in anchorage, they helps in defense, they helps in capturing of prey. Prey capturing में help करते हैं, इसलिए इनको offense भी बोलते हैं. Offense and defense दोनों में help करते हैं. They have tissue level organization. They are diploblastic. Diploblastic का मतलब है they have two germ layer. इनके पास दो germ layer है. One is ectoderm and one is endoderm. Mesoderm present नहीं होती. They have only two types of germ layers. And if we talk about body cavity, तो इनकी body cavity को gastrovascular cavity बोलते हैं because it helps in partial digestion as well as it helps in transport of dissolved food materials. ठीक है, and they don't have any complete you can say digestive tract. They have a single opening, that is mouth on hypostome. तो यहीं से they take food and they remove the waste. That is the same opening. ठीक है, डाइजेशन दोनों तरीके का होता है. दे हैव एक्स्ट्रा सेलुलर एज वेल एज इंटरसेलुलर डाइजेशन. इफ वी टॉक अबाउट skeleton system, so in some cnidarians it's absent and in some cnidarians it is present. That is made up of calcium carbonate. Calcium carbonate से बना होता है CaCO3 and these types of cnidarians are called corals. And you might have heard about coral reefs. So that is due to these calcium carbonate deposition. Okay. Next, cnidarians have two body forms. One is polyp, that is fixed one, and one is medusa, that is motile. So they have two body forms. This is fixed or sessile. This is free swimming form, or we can say motile form. Okay. So this is medusa. This is polyp. So they have two type of body form. In some cnidarians, both forms are present. In some, only one form is present. All right. So one more example for sessile is hydra. Hydra, you might have heard hydra. Adamsia, they both have sessile form. They cannot move from their place. They have fixed on the sea surface, you can say. And if we talk about umbrella shape or Medusa form, so that is free swimming like Aurelia, that is also called jellyfish. Okay, this is fish, but it is not included in Pisces. This is specifically included in Coelentrate. So this is an exception. It named as a fish, but it is not a fish. Right? चलिए, they have alternation of generation. Very very important point for NEET and boards. Metagenesis. See students, there are two forms, polyp and Medusa. So this polyp form will produce Medusa asexually and Medusa form polyp sexually. This you can see alternation of generation in Obelia. वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, पॉलिप से मेड्यूसा बनता है एसेक्सुअली और मेड्यूसा से पॉलिप बनता है सेक्सुअली. दिस अल्टरनेशन ऑफ पॉलिप एंड मेड्यूसा फॉर्म, दिस इज कॉल्ड मेटाजेनेसिस. वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर बोर्ड्स एंड नीट. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ओके, नोट इट डाउन. चलिए एग्जांपल्स की बात करते हैं. So one example is Physalia, that is Portuguese man of war. Other is Adamsia, that is sea anemone. Then Pennatula, that is called sea pen. Gorgonia, that is sea pen. Mindrina, that is brain coral. It appears like a brain, that's why it is called brain coral. So this is all about the phylum Coelentrata from NCERT. In our next upcoming video, we will do this topic from NEET point of view. Okay? We will do classes and we will do some more examples and we will do little detail of the topic Coelentrata. So stay tuned and watch second video lecture, that is from for NEET. Okay, this is NCERT based lecture and next is NEET based lecture. So watch both lectures for better understanding. Okay, so I hope you like this video. So hit the like button, do share and subscribe. Goodbye everyone.